Hey friends, I'm going to show you real quick how to attach a domain name to Coursie. Now, within Coursie, you can have unlimited domain names, websites, funnels, etc. through our very fast Google Cloud hosting. Now, I'm going to show you real quick how to attach a domain, and it's not too difficult, but let's go ahead and show you how. So real quick, what you're seeing here is my screen where I am in Namecheap. Now, this is a list of my domains, and we're going to attach today this authorsplaybook.com, okay? So we're at namecheap.com, and I'm going to click Manage here. Now, something to know is that each domain registrar behaves and looks just a little bit differently, but there's a few key things that you're looking for. What you're looking for is the DNS or the domain name servers, because this is where you're going to be able to add two things. You're going to be able to come here to add records. What you're looking for is records. So what we're going to be doing is looking at for something like this that says add a new record. So we're going to click here, and this will show us the different records we can create. So you see you have an A record and a CNAME record, and that is going to be really important for what we do next. So first and foremost, say, all right, so what domain is it? authorsplaybook.com. So I'm going to go over to my Coursie account, and the way we go ahead and do this is we go on the left sidebar all the way down to settings. We click on settings, and then we go again, scroll down halfway through, and you're going to look for this button that says domains. In domains, we're going to click the add button here, and when you do that, it says, okay, what domain are you going to attach? And so we type in that domain. Now make sure to add the .com. When you select this, it will automatically toggle this to where it says, hey, do you also want to add the www to this? I recommend every time doing this. What this also means is if you just type in authorsplaybook.com, it will work for you. But you also want this www just in case as well, because a lot of people still do that. So you'll hit continue. Now, if you're with GoDaddy or a couple other users, this domain wizard will actually get in and allow you to log in to your GoDaddy account and add these records for you automatically. So that's really, really cool. If you do that, you follow the steps and it will do it for you automatically, and it will say success. But if you're somewhere else like Cloudflare or Namecheap or others, you'll be able to do this manually quite easily. So what you need to do is it says set up your domain manually by adding the following records. Okay, well, what does this mean? Well, let's take it one step at a time. First, this is an A record, and these are the two things that we need to then paste into our fields. So I'm going to remember this. The host says just put an @, and sometimes it just wants you to leave that blank. But this is the one we really need to know. So you can click these two boxes to copy it, or you can highlight and copy it as well. So take those numbers, and we're now going to go back to our Namecheap or other domain place. So we're again in the advanced DNS here, and we're going to click add a record, and we've selected a record. Now remember where it says host, we can put @ because that's what we wanted to do there, and then this IP address field is where you paste the string of numbers, which is the IP address. So you go ahead and hit the check mark here, and it will save changes. And we say, okay, that was step one, pretty easy. We now have an A record with an @ and these string of numbers. And look, that's exactly what that was as well. So next we need to do a CNAME with www. Right? And then this string of letters and words, okay? So we're gonna copy that. We're then gonna go back to our place to add a record. So we're going to click add record. We're scrolling down till we find CNAME record. And this time, instead of an @ we're going to do www. This is how we set up that www.authorsplaybook.com. Then we're going to paste flash.funnels, etc. there, and we're going to hit save. Okay, at that point, that's it. Guys, that's it. It's not too hard. It's just a couple things to look for, right? So first things first, log into your domain registrar of choice, find the DNS name servers or advanced DNS or whatever it says in your domain server, and go to add a new record, add an A record with that string of numbers, a CNAME record with www and flash funnels, messagesender.com, and you will be good to go. So now we want to see if this will verify the records for us. So we go back to Coursie, we click verify records, and this sometimes will take 30 seconds to a minute, depending on just how quick your system will catch up with it with GoDaddy or whatever. So when this happens, it's going to eventually say success. You have added this record successfully, and then you are officially attached, and your Coursie website will be able to be live. And so you can manage everything you need to create your domain through Coursie. So here we go. It says, yay, domainauthorsPlaybook.com is added successfully. So at this point, you can click out or click the X and you're good to go. Or if you already have a funnel or a website that you want to attach to it, you can click here and say, hey, this is the, Coursie home is going to be the one I want to put there. So you select it, then you say link domain, and you are good to go. So guys, that's it. That's how you attach a domain within Coursie.